Hiphen's plot map creation tool. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to create plot maps for your phenotyping missions in just a few clicks. First, head over to your HCC campaign dashboard at hcc-dev.hyphen-plant.com. Select the Campaigns tab, click on your campaign, and scroll down to the Sites section. Then click the map icon in the Actions column to access the plot map creation tool. Now, you have two options to start creating, from your field book or from scratch. Let's begin with the first option, creating a plot map from your field book. The field book is your technical trial specs sheet. You can reference as much data as you want regarding your trial specifications, including genotype names, treatments, irrigation status, and replicates, for instance. This information will later be useful in Cloverfield for data analytics. That's why we recommend creating your plot maps from Fieldbook. To create your Fieldbook, simply click on the From Fieldbook tab in the right-hand side panel. Then you can follow the tutorial and download a template directly from the Plot Map tool webpage. Just fill out the template and save it as a CSV file. Then click Import Fieldbook, select your file, and press Enter on your keyboard. Your plot map will be created instantly based on this input, and you'll be able to adjust and edit it in the same way as if you had created it from scratch. Now, as mentioned earlier, you have a second option for creating your plot map, starting from scratch. Let's see how it's done. To find your location quickly, you can search for a specific city, town, or region in the search bar at the top right corner of the page and press Enter to validate. Then you can use the pin icon and drag and drop it to the exact location of your trial to set the initial coordinates of your field. Latitude and longitude will be filled out automatically. Now, specify your plot geometry specs in the panel on the right-hand side. Make sure to include number of columns, number of rows, plot length and width, row spacing on X and Y axis, and the rotation angle, which allows you to adjust the orientation of your plots to align with the actual layout of your field. And then click Create. Your plot map is now generated. Easy, right? Now it's time to show you how to edit your plot map. You can start with some cosmetics by adjusting the color of your plots using the Plot Color drop-down menu in the top bar. Then, to edit your plot map, here are a few features available to fine-tune your work. Let's start by selecting one plot and move it to a desired location. Then as soon as you move a second plot, the tool will recalculate your grid automatically and readjust plot spacing and orientation accordingly. The Fieldbook is good to know. There are more features available in Hiphen's plot map tool. The Select Polygon icon on the left toolbar allows you to draw a polygon to select only specific plots within the grid. Then you can lock them to make sure further edits won't be applied to these plots. Locked plots will appear blacked out. You can also apply translations starting from the first vector using the Move icon at the bottom of the left toolbar. On the contrary, by clicking the One icon, you can apply only single translations, meaning that whatever you move, it won't affect either the global layout of your grid or the other plots. It is useful when you want to move specific plots one by one to adjust your plot map precisely. Oh, again, mind saving your work regularly. And you can unlock locked plot at any time without having to select them back. Just click the Unlock icon on the left toolbar. The Select Polygon tool can also be used to delete plots from the grid. Just select undesired plots and then click the Bin icon on the left toolbar. It's now time to export your plot map. To proceed, click the Export Plot Map button in menu at the top. Leave Pipeline Template as literal generic and enter your inter-row spacing in meter and then click Export. Don't forget to export also your map tiles. This will act as the satellite image background for your plot map. This is optional. And that's it. You now know everything about creating your plot maps with Hiphen's online tool. Happy phenotyping and see you next time!